Today is Wednesday. It's after nap. And everybody's just patiently waiting to go home. There's Timber and Pax and Miss Minnie Min. Minnie! Hi, Min! Hi, Min! We got Brody Man and Daisy. There's Minnie again, Miss Minnie. Hi, Min. Danes are all excited today. We're gonna play some ball. Everyone's gonna be excited soon. As we play some ball. I don't know who got that one. Oh, looks like Jasper did. Jasper, did you get it? It looks like Troy was the winner on that one. Betty's excited about it. Bailey Gleason got that one. Caesar's ready. Caesar got it. Although you can hardly see it in his mouth. It's a loud Wednesday.